Have you ever wondered how to describe the weather in English, but you just don't know what to say? Today's shadowing practice is going to help you with that. Hello, my friend. I'm Kay, your English-speaking companion. Welcome back to our Speak English Confidently Challenge, Day 4. If you haven't watched the previous episodes, you can find them in the card above. Before we dive into today's shadowing practice, let me ask you a question. What's your biggest challenge when it comes to speaking English? Tell me in the comments. I'll make a video about it. Today's practice has 50 sentences. Listen to the pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation and shadow along with me. And stay until the end, because I have a fun bonus expression waiting for you. It's a very common English expression about heavy rain, but the words might surprise you. I'll reveal it after all 50 sentences, so make sure you stay till the end. If you have guessed it, let me know in the comments. Okay, now let's begin shadowing. Relax. Listen. Speak. What's the weather like today? What's the weather like today? The weather is perfect for going out. The weather is perfect for going out. Let's check the weather report on the internet. Let's check the weather report on the internet. The weather feels different today. The weather feels different today. The weather is changing quickly. The weather is changing quickly. It looks like the weather will change soon. It looks like the weather will change soon. The weather is warm and pleasant today. The weather is warm and pleasant today. The early morning breeze is so refreshing. The early morning breeze is so refreshing. Have you seen the weather forecast? Have you seen the weather forecast? I hope the weather will be good tomorrow. I hope the weather will be good tomorrow. Great job! That's 10 sentences already. You've started with some really useful everyday expressions. Now let's talk about something we often use when talking about the weather. Rain. The sky is getting darker. The sky is getting darker. I think it will rain today. I think it will rain today. Can you hear the thunder? Can you hear the thunder? I can see the lightning. I can see the lightning. It is raining heavily today. It is raining heavily today. I love the rainy season. I love the rainy season. I love listening to the rain. I love listening to the rain. The clouds are getting darker. The clouds are getting darker. I don't think I'll see any stars tonight. I don't think I'll see any stars tonight. It's drizzling here. It's drizzling here. Amazing! You've made it through 20 sentences. You're getting better with every sentence. Take a small breath, relax, and let's keep going. I like the smell when it rains. I like the smell when it rains. The rain has stopped now. The rain has stopped now. The heavy rain made the roads very wet. The heavy rain made the roads very wet. Today's thunder is louder than yesterday's. Today's thunder is louder than yesterday's. Rain always makes me happy. Rain always makes me happy. The raindrops on the umbrella are beautiful. The raindrops on the umbrella are beautiful. The rain is making everything look fresh. The rain is making everything look fresh. The roads are wet because of the rain. The roads are wet because of the rain. I hope the rain stops soon. I hope the rain stops soon. The fields look fresh after the rain. The fields look fresh after the rain. You're halfway there. That's 30 sentences done. Your English doesn't have to be perfect. Just listen carefully, repeat after me, and enjoy the practice. Let's move on to sunny and warm weather. The weather is too hot today. The weather is too hot today. The clouds are white. The clouds are white. The sun is clearly visible today. The sun is clearly visible today. The clear sky makes me feel active. The clear sky makes me feel active. It's going to be a beautiful day. It's going to be a beautiful day. I hope the rain cools things down. I hope the rain cools things down. The weather is not good today. The weather is not good today. I don't like going out in this weather. I don't like going out in this weather. We can't go anywhere because the weather is not good today. We can't go anywhere because the weather is not good today. It's freezing cold here. It's freezing cold here. Fantastic! 40 sentences done. Only 10 more to go. You're almost at the finish line. Keep going. Do you like winter? Do you like winter? I need a scarf and a sweater today. I need a scarf and a sweater today. I love snowfall. I love snowfall. Do you like playing in the snow? Do you like playing in the snow? Winter seems longer this year. Winter seems longer this year. I love making snowmen. I love making snowmen. I like drinking hot water in winter. I like drinking hot water in winter. There's no snowfall today. There's no snowfall today. I'm shivering because it's so cold. I'm shivering because it's so cold. My hands and feet are very cold. My hands and feet are very cold. Amazing job! You've completed all 50 sentences. But remember, I told you there was a bonus expression waiting for you, and now it's time to reveal it. Here's the expression. It's raining cats and dogs. It's raining cats and dogs. We're not actually talking about cats and dogs falling from the sky. This expression simply means it's raining very heavily. So when it's raining a lot, you can say, it's raining cats and dogs. It's a fun expression you may hear in casual English conversations. All right now, here's your challenge. Tell me about the weather in your city using some of the sentences you learned today. Write your answer in the comments. I'd love to read them. And if you've been following this challenge from day 1 until today, comment, Day 4 completed. Keep practicing, keep speaking in English, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.